Learn Well English Activity Book Class 3rd. Today we are going to start activity sheet number 2. First one is a comprehension passage. From this passage we have to find out the answers of these questions. Very easy paragraph. So, the heat of the sun changes water into water vapor. ठीक है, this paragraph is from the chapter which we have read earlier, that is It's Raining. That is from that only. We have read this chapter and you people have to read this all together. You have to read this and afterwards you have to write these answers of these questions. Okay, बेटे you have to try it yourself. अब ये जैसे पहले I will read out for first two questions, then I will tell you how to find the answers. The heat of the sun changes water into water vapor. The warm air carries it higher and higher into the sky. High up in the sky, the air is very cold. When the water vapor meets the cold air, it turns into little drops of water. We can see these little drops floating in the sky as a cloud. Now, what is the answer of first question? What changes water into water vapor? Now we have read this first line. The heat of the sun changes water into water vapor. We have to write this here. Okay. Who carries water vapor high into the sky? Now the answer is the warm air carries it higher and higher into the sky. In this way, beta, you have to find out the other questions also. It's very easy. Now you have to write the opposites of the given words. In, that is, example is given out, अंदर, बाहर, up, ऊपर, down, नीचे, day, दिन, day, night. Opposite is night. Hot का opposite cold. Cool का opposite warm. ठंडा तो warm. ठीक है, गर्म. High, low. Okay. Little तो little का क्या होगा? Big. Earth, sky. Okay. Match the words that have almost the same meanings. Now you have to write the synonyms. This was antonyms. Opposites or antonyms or similar meanings are the synonyms. Big, big, बहुत बड़ा, huge. We can say huge, बहुत बड़ा, big. Drop, नीचे गिरना, fall. अब ये that raindrops, it falls down, drops, drop, it fall down. ठीक है. Little, थोड़ा सा, tiny, little, tiny. Shout, जोर से चिल्लाना, yelling करना, ये भी चिल्लाना ही होता है. Begin, शुरू करना, start, begin, start. Quick, fast, quick, fast. Region, region किसी जगह और area, that is same thing, region और area. Present, कौन सी, कोई present हमें मिलना, gift मिलना, present और gift, that is similar meanings. Okay. Now we have to find out, there is one mistake in each line. Underline the incorrect word and write it correctly on the given space. When we heater water नहीं, when we heat water in a kettle, the water changes, change not, changes in steam, not in steam, changes into steam. ये किस में बदल जाता है? तो water changes into steam. This steam gushes out of the spout. ये उसकी नाली में से बाहर निकलता है. ठीक है, स्पाउट में से बाहर निकलता है भाप के रूप में. ठीक है. It hits the cold air outside its changes, not its changes, it changes into little drops of water. We can sing, not seeing, we can see these little drops dancing near the spout like an angry. Now this is what it is. These are what? We know now, we have done these and where we use a or an with the vowel sound, we use an. Angry, so it starts with the a sound. So an angry cloud. Okay, put these pictures in order and write a sentence for each. He gets up in the morning. He puts on his clothes. He goes to school. Here is cardinal and ordinal numbers. There are two types of numbers: cardinal numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and ordinal numbers, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Write all the cardinal numbers from 1 to 20. This is given here: 1 to 20, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so these are the cardinal numbers. And here, and these are the ordinal numbers. अब ये कार्डिनल नंबर और ऑर्डिनल नंबर तो ये बताते हैं फर्स्ट ये कौन से स्पेस पर है, ठीक है, ये कौन सी जगह पे, ये फर्स्ट प्लेस है, फर्स्ट है, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ, सेवन्थ, ये नंबर है. दीज आर 1, 2, 3 और 4, दीज आर द नंबर्स. ये काउंटिंग में आते हैं. और ये काउंटिंग में कौन सी जगह पर आती हैं? आगे जैसे 1 है तो दैट इज़ फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, तो इसमें दीज आर कॉल्ड द ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स. फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ, सेवन्थ, एट्थ, नाइन्थ, टेंथ, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Okay. Now complete this number rhyme. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Okay. Now complete these number rhymes with lines from the box. 1, 2, where are you? From here, from this box we have to find out. और यहाँ पे हमने लिखना है where are you question mark. 3, 4, behind the door full stop. 5, 6, playing sticks, then playing sticks, then this you have to write. 7, 8, you are great. 9, 10, big fat hen. Okay, now we have to write the correct ordinal numbers under each clown. First, this is first, second, third, this is fourth, fifth and sixth. Okay, now this is all about the first activity. Thank you.